Madam, I formally welcome you.
Thank you.
Once again. And just to begin with, Madam, the first thing when you entered our school, so on the way we have discussed so many things about education and how it is. The first impression about our school, then we will proceed.
Yeah. Actually, it reminded me of my childhood. I studied my primary school in Ranebennur, and it felt very similar to how we had assembly. Yeah, and we started our day with the prayers. It all makes a difference in your life. Today, you may say that why do we do this every single day? Why do we have a general knowledge? I saw somebody said a proverb in the morning, and the other person, there was a theme. The other kid explained or at least asked the GK questions. It all makes a difference. As you grow up, you'll be able to connect your childhood experiences, whatever your school environment is there, you will be able to take that and connect to your real life experience. So I'm very happy, uh, uh, and also like looking at you, it really made me, reminded me of my childhood and how we came up with the schooling.
Thank you so much. So we shall begin with our interactive session. Who's going to do it?
Namaste Mataji. I'm Bhavani from class 9th.
Your name?
ಭವಾನಿ.
Bhavani.
ನಮಗೆ ಪರ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಊರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ರಾಣೆಬೆನ್ನೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಪ್ರೌಢ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತು ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣನ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಈ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಊರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಿಯಾಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ IEEE ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, JEE ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು ದೆರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನ್ IIT, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂತಂದರೆ ಆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಛಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಟೆನ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಣ್ಣ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? How do we go beyond the other kids who have these facilities from their childhood? So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೈಟ್ ನಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ ಅಪ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನೈಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ you can say entire line of life, you can say that. So you have Khan Academy, which is a free resource, YouTube ಅಲ್ಲಿ. You just take your parents' phone and you have access to everything what is happening out in the world at your fingertips. No more it is Sannuru Dodduru. It's all one word. Even countries are separate. You have access to the same information what a child in the US has. Only thing is ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಏನದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಒಂಚೂರು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ದ ಎಜುಕೇಟರ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಸೇ. ನನಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದು. ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದು ಇವ್ರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
So to add on, as we always think ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಾನು US ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ನಾ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಕೀಪ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್, ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ವಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದಾ? Can you ask your parents to shift to Bangalore and get you educated there? Not possible. If you feel ನಾನು US ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ now. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.
Namaste madam, I am Tushar of class 10th and you have seen the education of India and America. Which one is the best according to you, ma'am?
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಅ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್, ರೈಟ್, ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಯು ಸ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ಸ್, ಯು ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ದೊಡ್ಡವರಿಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡೆಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ದೋಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್, ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್. ಬಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ದೇ ಟೀಚ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ವೆರಿ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಆನ್, 5th 6th ಗ್ರೇಡ್ವರೆಗೂ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್. 5th 6th 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ವರೆಗೂ ದೇ ಟೀಚ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗ್ರೋ, ಈಗ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ even if you don't understand in school, you can come back home and you can read and learn it. That is something I feel is missing here. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದ 3 Idiot ಮೂವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಟ್ರೂ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇಟ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಾಚ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಟ್ರೂ. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, marks is important. You need to get those extra marks, 90, 95, whatever percentage you need to achieve. It's very important, but that should not be the only focus. Illi, India, you should also focus on getting the knowledge. That is something I see missing in both places, US and India. People are not valuing the knowledge. Nam ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಂದ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ, ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ, ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರೀಡ್, ಗೆಟ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ಅದು ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೌ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗ್ರೋ ಅಪ್. ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜರ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಯು pull out those knowledges from your mind and start a conversation. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ the hold on English, ಅದೆಲ್ಲದು, that all you need to start developing at this age, and hopefully education system is helping you both here and in US.
Ma'am, previously you said that Indians do not have technology or they do not have innovative new ideas, but some of them are there who create innovative ideas and which can be developed so further than US. Ma'am, like in IIT Madras, some model was made which vehicle, there they showed that a vehicle can move in 1200 kilometer per hour with the use of magnetic force, ma'am. In IIT Madras, using these technologies in a developing country, it is a very good way to ensure that our India is also growing, and it can also beat USA in terms of other also. So India is also growing.
It absolutely agree. I agree. But how many of those have become a commercially viable products?
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
How many of those products have become commercially successful ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? The companies have to make money. So idea ಇಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, right? Like they may come up with an idea, but ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಆ ಥರ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್, ಪಿಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಟು, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್ which we have come up and we have developed, and we are proud to say that yes, this is what we have done. Facebook, iPad, most of them are coming from the Western world. So adu heltare, and I am a proud Indian.
But developers and CEOs are of Indians only, no?
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
That's the difference.
ಹಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾನು ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. Why do you have to go there? Because I have opportunities there, right? ಒಂದ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
Yeah. So his question is like we were talking about Google and the biggest companies in the world. Adradu CEOs Indians. CEOs Indians, but not the owners. So now we celebrate they becoming the CEOs, but they are not the owners. So madam is insisting on that. It's not that yaudu illa technology anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Even if you see the number of Nobel prizes in the recent past years, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು Nobel prizes ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. Correct. So on base of that, madam is giving the ideas. It's not
Good
that
question.
ideas ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Very good question in fact.
Yeah, I like it that you asked what you wanted to know.
ಏರೋನಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏರೋಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ APJ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ರವರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಹಾರಾಟವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಏರೋನಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡರು. ಹೀಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏರೋನಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಏನು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ನೀಡಿತು?
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ that my life will be like this. ನಾನು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಈವನ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಬಟ್ what also I had in my mind is, or what also I had in me is, I was a hard worker. Very, 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 very hard working person. I'm relatively smart. So those things added to what I was doing. ನನಗೆ ಜಾವಾ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 2003 it was good paying. But when I got an opportunity in ADA, Aeronautical Development, for almost half or 1/3 the salary what I was getting in Java field, I took that opportunity thinking that it is product development. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಫೆಚ್ ಮೀ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಬೆಟರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಐ ಜಾಯಿನ್ಡ್ ADA. ಆ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇನ್ HCL. ಅವರು ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ವಿನ್ ಜೆಟ್ ಏರ್ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಬೋಯಿಂಗ್ 787 ಆವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ A380 ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಂಬೋ ಜೆಟ್. ಆವಾಗ ದೇ ವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಏರ್ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಏರ್ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗುಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಥ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸರ್ಸು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. If I sit and keep working, even if I may hard work, but I will not get those opportunities. You have to keep looking. ನಾಳೆ ನೀನು ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯ ಅಂದರೆ you should understand what all products the companies work on, what all fields they are working on, and you should keep your eyes and ears open. ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ನನಗಿದು ಬೇಡ, ನನಗಿದು ಹಾಕಿ. And then I have a brother-in-law, who my sister's husband. I always talk to him. So ನಿನಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, you figure out who that person is. I cannot tell you who that person you will get. So any opportunity I get, I talk to my brother, I talk to my brother-in-law. ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು whom I think that they may give me good inputs, I talk to them. So you never pass an opportunity. You never pass an opportunity. You informed decision ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ US ಅಲ್ಲಿ. That means even if you have to pass an opportunity, you make an informed decision. Iದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ I am letting it go. For this, I'll give you an example. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 2014 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಐ ಪಿಕ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ದ MC21 ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಐ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ 18 days. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ದೇ ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ಮೀ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ದೇ ಸೆಡ್ 40 engineers will work under you and you will be heading this division. Come work for this project. I thought about it over almost 2 weeks. I talked to people. What should I do? Sometimes you cannot make a decision on your own. Sometimes you can. Whatever. Our situation ige nimge heng ansutto, whatever best you can do. I said no, I don't want that project. Even though monetarily that would have been better at that point of time. I said no, I don't want a managerial position. I will stay as a software lead and I will work on this project which was a full life cycle. Andre from the concept design inda hididu full product delivery vargunu ಆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. So I said I'll work on that which will give me visibility from the start to finish instead of a people management job. So our project, what I worked for 5-6 years, is what pushed me to another level. So you asked me a question, how do you do it? This is how you do it. It will not be one IIT, it won't be. It will not be, nanige Collins Aerospace job siktu, this is it. It won't be. It will be these journey, small decisions and some big decisions, and as you have to shape your career and move to that point. I hope I answered your question.
So as you mentioned Abdul Kalam also said, low aim is a crime ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So never aim low. Low aim is a crime ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Aim at sky. ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಸಿಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಮರದ ತುದಿನಾದ್ರೂ ಮುಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಏಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗೆ ಮಣ್ಣತ್ತುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಲೋ ಏಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಏಮ್ ಹೈ.
Bharat Ratna, the missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has said, you can't change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future.
Yes.
As a teenager, which are the habits you suggest us to develop now?
ಆಸ್ ಎ ಟೀನೇಜರ್.
As a teenager, read books. Knowledge is everything. I have written down some things which I feel is lacking, or maybe not it everyone, but I would like to say that be hungry for knowledge, which is very, 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 very important. English improve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How you speak, personality, how you speak, how do you write English, elladu, your knowledge, and in terms of attitude, whatever you pick up, there can be a test, there can be a debate competition, there can be a simple, you may come here and interact, prepare. These are small things which you can cultivate right now, which will fetch you big returns in the future.
Swami Vivekananda has said, everyone has got to pass through hundreds of difficulties before succeeding. What are the difficulties you faced to reach this stage, ma'am?
Yeah, I think one of the biggest difficulty andre for me, hard work was never a problem. I told you, right? More than smartness, I worked very hard to be where I am. But one of the most difficult thing is what she asked, managing work-life balance. Yakandre maklu is always my priority. Work comes second when my kids are involved, right? So because I am the primary caretaker, you may be the primary caretaker, for you this may be priority. I am not saying because I am a woman and my kids were my priority. Tomorrow it will be very well be equal. Boys may say I am the primary caretaker in the house and my wife works. Whoever is that person in the house, it is difficult to manage work-life balance. So I'll tell you what I did. One of the one of the rule we had in the house is wherever is our office, our house will be 3 kilometers circle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ, ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೈ 5 ಟು ಹೋಮ್, ಮೇಕ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಊಟ ಗೀಟ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ 7:30 8:30 ಮಲಗಿಸಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಆಫೀಸ್. 8:30 in the night, come back by 3 4, next day same circle. So that was at some point I used to feel yaake, why we struggle so much atara. So for you also, tomorrow you will have that difficulty what I have gone through, where you'll have to make decisions which are hard in terms of effort. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You'll have to sacrifice, I don't know, your hobbies, your other interests to get you where you want to be. Avaga you should have no doubt in your mind what is important. So that was one of the challenge what I had. The other challenge what I had was opportunities. I have to really not struggle, but work through the competition to get the opportunities, to get the right kind of projects what I want to work. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು, where people thought I'm very good in management, I was good in managing people. So they always wanted me to push towards that, where I always wanted to go into technical. So you have to be clear in your mind what you want to do, other prakara. So that also getting the right opportunities was also a challenge for me. Just like how you said, sitting here, will I get the right opportunities? You have to work for yourself.
So the difficulties, when you face those difficulties, will either make you or break you. So choice is yours. Through those difficulties, whether you want to make it or you will break.
ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಏರೋನಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಕಾಡುವಂತಹ ಈ ಟೆರರಿಸಮ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕೆಲಾಮಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಇಂಥ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಏರೋನಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹಾಯ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಬಹುದು?
ಮೇ ಬಿ ಏರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಏರ್ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಟ್ ಟೆರರಿಸಮ್. ಮಿಸೈಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಏರೋನಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏರೋನಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಲ್ಟ್ರಿನೂ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಿಲ್ಟ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೆನಿ ವೇಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಏರೋನಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಬಂತಂದರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಕೋರ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, madam. Ma'am, one last question. You're working for Jobby Aviation. What is the speciality of that? The recent project which you have launched. What is the speciality of that, ma'am?
ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜೋಬಿ ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್? ಯು ಗಾಟ್ that I'm coming here, I'm talking here.
I did.
Namaste, ma'am. I'm Sinchana from class 9th. We will be in our path to achieve something. So at some point, we will face some obstacles, and there may not be family support. So at that time, the confidence level may drop down. So how to increase the confidence level at that time? And even we may feel that sometimes we think that I'm not perfect to do this or to achieve this goal. So at that moment, how to achieve the confidence, increase the confidence level?
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟಾಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ I'll tell you personal experience where even I have a problem. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಲೈಕ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಮ್ಮೂರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಜನ. It's very easy for me to interact. But when I'm sitting with sometimes PhD guys or some like just something which are uncomfortable members ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ it is hard. It is hard. Suddenly you walk into a room, there are 10 men sitting who are maybe not looking like me. You walk in and suddenly it is ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ವಿಚ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಇಟ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಫೇಸ್ಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಹೌ. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೌ ಟು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಆ ಥರ ಈ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದೋಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿಚ್ people may not share, but it is there. It's a very good question what you have asked. So what I do is, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ go prepared. ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿನಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಯು ಆಸ್ ದಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. You have to fight it out because it is the question of your future. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, do what it takes to become successful. Do what it takes. ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, you have got a seat in a good college, your parents are not ready, you have to make them agree. Did I answer your question? So when you face that problem, right, when things are getting restricted for you, you go for bigger and better things. You don't fight that. Adan bitbitu, you make sure you go higher, and then from there you see adenide alla, you don't talk, you don't tell them that this is what I'm going to do. You achieve those things and automatically ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದೆಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದೆಮ್ ವಯಾ ಯುವರ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್.
MS ಧೋನಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೂಸ್ಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೋ ಇಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್.
Namaste ma'am, I'm Snigdha from class 10. I'm just curious to know that moving to a different country and working there isn't a easy job ma'am, because when you are adapted to the environment, work life in India, it will be it will be a difficult job to be adapted to the work life in USA. At that time moral support is very important, and you mentioned that my family was in India. At that time, how did you manage to cope up with the things and to come out of the loop?
Yes, it's a very good question, and I did face the problem. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಗ್ರೋ. 15 years, 20 years you are here in this industry. You know everyone. But ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ there is a different level of expectations, and the people don't look like you, and then everything is different, right? You do have that problem, but you take one step at a time, right? Ivat mane marde, bring stuff, car ತಗೊಂಡೆ, one step at a time. That's what I always, overburden ಆದಾಗ, where you have to do ಸಾವಿರಾರು things ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Moving from this country with 2 kids to another country is a hard challenge. ಅವಾಗ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆಟ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಆಫೀಸ್ದಾಯ್ತು, ಯು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಅನ್ ಆಫೀಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಮನೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋದಾಗ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ there is no easy answer to it. It's a everyday struggle where you have to adjust to a new normal. So you take things as it comes. Some things you accept, some things you internally you change your mindset to adapt to the new normal. So one thing as a student you should always remember is attitude, right? You should be open to try out new things. You should be open to accept new ideas, new way of thinking. The second thing is preparedness. ನಾಳೆ ಹೊಸದು, ಹಳೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ I don't need to be prepared. ಹೊಸ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಯು ಓಪನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಯು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಲ್ಚರ್, what do I dress up, how do I go, when do I reach office, maybe reach 15 minutes early, so that you get, you calm down and you take that time to prepare yourself. So all these things, all these are part of your attitude. How do I approach this? That all comes from your attitude. Ivagindane you start developing those abilities, so that tomorrow when you get these challenges, what we all have faced, everyone would have faced challenges, you keep them in your back pocket, so that you keep pulling out those skills, those skills you can say, or those learnings what you have developed, those habits what you have developed in your childhood, you pull out those and use them. Did I answer your question?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
which is very, very important. I keep telling you this. Prioritize your works. As a student, what should be your priorities? As a working woman, what will be our priorities? We should know. As she said, like family was our priority. And now for you as a student, what is your priority? So that you should be able to know it. So that makes your work easy. Yeah, please.
Namaste ma'am, I am Shashank. I want to tell that my own sister has completed aeronautics from MVJ with 2 gold medals from VTU, and due to the pandemic and lack of opportunities, I think she deserves more better job. What would be your solution and suggestion to her? I will convey the same message to her.
Where is she working now?
I think in HCL now.
HCL.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah. Yeah. So HCL is a good company. Only thing is it's a service company, right? The Boeing, you have heard of Boeing? Yeah, Boeing, Airbus, they're all product companies. Raytheon Technologies, they're all product companies. So maybe she can develop the basic knowledge of how the aviation, if she's in software field or if she's whatever field, electronics field, whatever she is in, maybe she can develop the basic knowledge of that in the HCL, use it as a stepping stone. But I would advise her to get into a product company. Right? And there are opportunities. It is not like how it was for us. It was very difficult to get into the product company. Not the Western aircraft integrators didn't trust India, so they only gave testing job when we were coming up in the industry. But now we are getting all kinds of projects. Only thing is she should know what she is looking for and try to see how to get into it. And I would suggest her to get into one of these product-based companies.
Yes, madam. Thank you so much for your time. So to summarize this, hope few of us students are motivated, or that might have developed some instinct to know their passions and all. So thank you so much for being here. A final word.
I would like to know from some of you, whoever can speak here, the key takeaways. What are the themes you got from this discussion, so that I know, yes, I came here and you took away something from here. The key takeaways for you, what stayed with you, and what you thought, what she said made sense, or what she said I would like to cultivate.
See, anything we do, whether it is after a class or after any session or after any work, the takeaways, we should be able to list out what is the learning outcome from this session she would like to know. So one of our staff members would like to share.
I would like to share my experience. I got many information by this session. that she had struggled for many years. The hard work never let her to stop. Even she got success by her hard work. 3 years of her hard work came to success in her life. So at that moment, she felt very proud of herself. So even I would like to also feel proud of myself when I achieve something new. And even in US, she told that there is like fifth or sixth standard. There is a theme like how to read, not what to read, how to read. Even I feel that it should be implemented in our schools and in our country also. And I feel that our country should be developed like the country US. Um, I feel that here every boys are you will become husbands in your future days. So your wife may come and she may not uh, succeed in her life like for sometimes because of family support she may not able to achieve her goal. So don't let her drop her aim down. Um, I would like to say that please support her in your life. Don't make her feel sad or don't drop her confidence level. Because of you, she may leave her whole family and she may come with you, but still she do something for you, and even you sacrifice her to lead her life as she wants, and make her let her achieve her goal in her life. Thank you.
Very
From this session, I learned that there is no other ways to success, ma'am. Only hard work is the key to success. Even I too have a lower confidence, or I too have I have hesitations to talk like this. Even I gain confidence to talk in front of all. I even
Go ahead. We are here.
I think from this session I gain confidence. I used to feel like that I don't talk good. I don't have any skills to interact like this. But this session really helped me to gain my confidence and to share my. This is my first session where I am sharing my experience.
Very good. Very good. I'm happy. Thank you. Very good.
I'm already asked that we should not ask someone's salary, but very curious to ask at least the average.
Sky is the limit. Uh, it will not be straightforward because we do get other perks, lot of other benefits. But I would say an average California-based salary is starts from 200K. 200K US dollars per year. 1 crore 60 lakhs. That's an average starting salary for a California-based engineer. I'm not selling mine, but I'm selling this is what you can expect.
No, ma'am, by this, everyone will get motivation by
Yeah. No. The motivation should never be salary. Yes, the success means monetary benefit, but it is important that you guys understand where your interests are and work towards it. Salary will follow. I'm telling you, I can guarantee you that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Salary alone cannot give you that satisfaction, which you should know. Okay. So, madam,
Thank you.
once again,
Thank you.
so much. for
Thank you
being
so
here
much.
and,
Thank you.